This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system. Broadcasters in our area are testing the equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency such as flooding, high winds, or a chemical spill, official messages would have followed this tone. This station serves the Sacramento Valley and Sierra Nevada foothill counties. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. This is a coordinated monthly test of the emergency alert system. Broadcasters in our area are testing the equipment that can quickly warn you in the event of emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency such as flooding, high winds, or a chemical spill, official messages would have followed this tone. This station serves the Sacramento Valley and Sierra Nevada foothill counties. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
Well, this has been this month's required monthly test on KFBK 1530 AM and KMXI 95.1 FM. Now, before I sign off, I want to give a shout out to 4 people, and they are Clay Ranger 143, Southern Nevada EAS 379, VA Stormwatch 74, and TN Henderson 500. Go ahead and subscribe to them as well as me for future videos. I will be sure to put their channel links in the description of this video, so stay tuned for that. This is NorCal Dude 599 with the recording of today's required monthly test, and I'll see you guys next time.